Kaiber AI is a video generation tool that uses artificial intelligence to transform text and images into mesmerizing videos. It enables users to create stunning visuals from their own images or text descriptions, with a variety of styles available, such as anime, concept art, impressionism, and more. Kaiber also provides a SpotifyCanvas generator for musicians to boost their streams and shares on Spotify. It is a great tool for content creators, artists, and futurists looking to express their vision and unleash their imaginations. Kaiber is free to use, with no credit card required, and is accessible for beginners while leaving enough control even for experts. The videos created using Kaiber are royalty-free, which means they can be used for personal or commercial projects without worrying about copyright. The process of creating AI-generated videos involves significant computing power, which can be quite costly, so paying for AI videos is necessary. Kaiber AI offers a wide range of features and customization options to enhance the video creation process. Some specific features of Kaiber AI that make it useful for video generation are: 1. Transforming text and images into mesmerizing videos. 2. Providing a variety of styles such as anime, concept art, impressionism, and more. 3. Offering a SpotifyCanvas generator for musicians to boost their streams and shares on Spotify. 4. Providing tools for content creators, artists, and futurists to express their vision and unleash their imaginations. 5. Allowing users to control camera movements to shift perspectives. 6. Providing generative AI, which includes features such as text-to-color grading, super slow motion, image-to-image generation, and endless image. 7. Including video editing techniques such as green screen, in-painting, and motion tracking. 8. Being user-friendly and accessible for beginners while leaving enough control even for experts. 9. Being free to use, with no credit card required.